Hello P2, welcome to day 1 of term 3. Today we are going to learn about float and sink. Do you know what is float and sink? Float means to stay on the surface of the water, and sink means to go below the surface of the water. I have here two different kinds of balls. Which ball do you think will float and which will sink? Have you ever wondered why some object sinks on water while some object floats? What causes objects to sink and float? Well, it's all about something called density. Density is the amount of compactness as of an object. You see, everything is made of molecules. Molecules are tiny particles that can be seen with a microscope. On the left are molecules of an object that are tightly packed together, while on the right are molecules of an object that are loosely packed together. Objects with tightly packed molecules will sink in the water, while objects with loosely packed molecules will float on the water. Whatever objects sink are more dense. See the stone, marbles, and coin. They all sink because molecules are tightly packed in this. Similarly, whatever objects float are less dense. See this ball, water bottle, and this lovely balloon. They all float in the water because molecules are loosely packed in this. Does the shape of an object affect its ability to float? Changing the object's shape will also make its ability to float because it holds air and at thrust has more space to push the object. When you put something in water, they push down on it. Heavy things push down more, but water pushes things back up. This is called upthrust. The shape of an object can help it to float or cause it to sink. Try this. Put a lump of plasticine the size of a golf ball into a bowl of water and watch what happens. Now make the plasticine into a shape of a boat and watch what happens this time. The lump of plasticine pushes down on a small bit of water, so it sinks. The boat-shaped plasticine pushes down on a bigger bit of water. The water can push up more of the plasticine and hold it up, so the boat floats. Upthrust is a force that pushes an object up and makes it seem to lose weight in a liquid. It is a push that always goes straight up against the direction of the gravity. Imagine trying to hold this beach ball and this tennis ball under the water. Which would be easier to hold underwater? The beach ball or the tennis ball, and why? Can you name some of the sinking and floating objects? So here are some of the sinking objects. We have the stone, glass, iron nails, coin, and marbles. And here are some of the floating objects: the water bottle, leaf, shuttlecock, plastic ball, and balloon. So remember, materials with lesser dense float, and materials with greater dense sink. And the shape affects upthrust. The larger the surface area of an object, the stronger the upthrust. That's it for today. Bye-bye.